Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with the alternative to natural cycles. So the first thing about natural cycles is that the fertility friend. So this is kind of like the first one that you can check out for yourself. And fertility friend is core features are free, no subscription required for basic charting. Also, several muses and several position tracking, automatic ovulation detection. So all these like important things you are going to actually get.
Me and Nomad.
And this is the actually like the tool that you can start using. But the cons interface looks dated. So as you can see, it looks dated. But yeah, that's pretty much it that you can like check out for yourself. Then also Lutea. This is another one that you can actually like use for period cycle tracker. So check this out, maybe you will like it too. And also Kindara. That you can also download and use. You have free basic version, clean, intuitive, also predictions based on your actual data. Then you have like premium subscription now required to have kind of like full features. So that's kind of like also a con. And then also you have like a Clue. So this is another one for you to actually like check out and test out. Clue cycle. So core features are completely for free, track 200 plus factors, also several fluid tracking, period evaluation prediction, a beautiful clean interface, and it's not designed as a contraception, prediction based on algorithm, not real-time biomarkers, and a premium is for the advanced features. So that's pretty much it. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.